From Swedish roots to the heart of the Philippines, we celebrate our achievements together as a united team. Retail Associates is proud to call the Philippines home as we continue to serve our clients globally. As we walk together, we celebrate our shared success in achieving the LS Central Diamond Partner Award for 3 consecutive years. Each department plays a vital role in driving Retail Associates toward continued growth and innovation. At the heart of Retail Associates lies our commitment to innovation, integrity, and collaboration. This is who we are. Through these activities, we strengthen our teamwork and remind ourselves of the power of unity. As we celebrate our past achievements, we look forward to the future, knowing that together we can achieve even more.